Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to change a page URL in WordPress, and we're covering everything step by step so even beginners can follow along. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to update your page link safely and efficiently. Let's dive in. Accessing WordPress first, navigate to your WordPress website and click the login option at the top right. You can log in using your credentials or simply select continue with Google if that's easier. Once you're logged in, you're ready to access your pages. Locating the page from the dashboard, head over to the Pages section. Here, you'll see a list of all your website pages. Find the one whose URL you want to change. Editing the URL slug. Now, this is the important part. Hover over the page and click Quick Edit. You'll see a field labeled slug. This is the part of your URL that comes after your domain name. Update it with something concise, descriptive, and SEO friendly. For example, instead of my page 123, you could use best WordPress tips. Finalizing changes, once you've typed in your new slug, click update. That's it. Your page now has a brand new URL. Don't forget to verify your changes by viewing the page in the editor and on your live site to make sure everything works perfectly. And there you all have it. A simple step-by-step way to change any WordPress page URL in minutes. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.